Everyone, and welcome to Career Talks with Deepa. In this video, we are going to talk about the scope, functions, and important topics of human resource management. Human resource management is a subject which is included in almost all the courses in India, so it is very important to understand this subject. So let us start with the video and discuss one by one all the topics of human resource management. The first one is human resource planning. Now this is when you have to identify right type of persons at the right time at the right place. It also forecasts demand and supply of human resource. So in short, you can say that it develops strategies both long term and short term to meet the manpower requirements. The next one is organization and job design. Here you have to lay down the organization structure, authority, relationship and responsibilities of the employees. The two important topics are job specification and job description are very important. If you have done these two things properly, I think all the problems of the employees will be solved. Then the next we have selection and staffing. This is, you can say that the most important function of HR. Here you have to understand about the recruitment and selection. Then the most important is matching people and their expectations with which the job specification and career path available within the organization. Although this is a topic which is very vast and has to be understood very smoothly, that we will be discussing in next videos. Then the next is training and development. Now, training is very important, not only specifically for the job which he is doing, but also for the future needs. Here you have to understand but what are the employee knowledge and skills at the present time, and then according to the requirement of the training needs, you have to develop them for the future. Here you have to understand also about human resource development. Typical, you have to understand about how you can help the employees in developing their personal and organization skills, knowledge and abilities. Then the next we are going to talk about is organizational development. Obviously, when the individual development is there, employee development is there, it has to match with the organization development. Here you have to understand about the synergetic effect which has to be generated by the HR, and here you have to understand about the interpersonal and intergroup relationship. You have to develop teamwork. Now, performance management. Performance management is in which we have to evaluate the personality and performance of each employee by quantitative factors. There are so many performance appraisal methods. Obviously, we'll be discussing in next videos. Then you have to understand about the potential management also. Then the very one is compensation and benefits. Here we are going to discuss about the wages and salary administration. Then we are also discussing about the benefits and services which an organization should give to the employees. And here we have to consider all the laws, and obviously here the best of the factors to be given to the employees. Then employee assistant, a very important topic again, because here HR people have to understand that they are for the employees. So you have to solve the problems of the employees, whether they are personal or official, because they may be affecting the productivity of the employees. So you have to solve the grievances, you have to motivate them, you have to understand the psychological problems they are facing. So that's why in HR we have a very important subject known as social psychology also. Then we have talent management. You have to understand the factors responsible for the stress, conflict management, another very important topic, which has to be handled by HR people, the main function of HRM. The next is union labor relations. Now, if you understand about the industries where labor is very important factor and they can have lot of troubles and they can create lot of troubles also. So here you have to understand about the healthy industrial labor relations which has to be done by the HR. So you have to enhance peace and productivity in the organization. Then the next is personal research and information system. Here you have to deal about the HRIS, which means that you have to do the work with the technology. Then you have to have the better insight into the workers' expectation, aspiration, and behavior. Then continuous research. Yes, continuous research in HR areas is unavoidable. You continuously have to do that, and that's why HR analysts are highly paid nowadays. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.